Welcome students. Now in this class I am going to start a new topic, that is statistics of class 11. Statistics we have already learned in class 10 about mean, mode and median, that is the central tendency. Measure of central tendency we have already learned it in class 10, but this measure of central tendency does not give the exact idea about the data, that is how the data is scattered from a central value, what is the variability of the data, how it is dispersed. To know about that, we will learn some new topic, that is measure of dispersion. In measure of dispersion, we have to know about range. Range is measure of dispersion is mainly of four types, that is range, quartile deviation, third one is mean deviation, and fourth, that is standard deviation. Range is the maximum observation. How range is defined? Range is range of any observation is maximum observation minus minimum observation suppose a batsman makes 0, 20, 12, 50, 90 runs in these 4 innings, then the range will be maximum observation is 90 and minimum observation is 0, that is 90 minus 0 is equal to 90. In this way we can find the range. Now quartile deviation, अभी हम लोग क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन नहीं पढ़ रहा है, थर्ड वन हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे, दैट इज मीन डेविएशन. Mean deviation. Mean deviation is defined as sum of absolute value of deviation about A, where A is, suppose we are interested to find mean deviation about mean, then A is mean here, and if we want to calculate mean deviation about median, then A will be median here. The sum of absolute value of deviation about A by total observation is the mean deviation. Now, how to calculate the mean deviation of ungrouped data? Mean deviation for ungrouped data In first step, we will calculate the measure of central tendency. Find the measure of central tendency, that is mean median, measure of central tendency. In the second step, we will find the value of each of absolute observation. We have to mean deviation is defined as sum of absolute value of deviation about a absolute value. You have to find the value of each absolute deviation, that is x1 minus a, x2 minus a and xn minus a. Now in third step, we will calculate sum of each deviation, that is x1 minus a plus x2 minus a plus x3 minus a plus xn minus a. Then mean deviation for ungrouped data is MD. It is the abbreviation mean deviation of A. Mean deviation about A is summation of xi minus a, total observation is n, where I varies from 1 to n. Suppose we have to calculate mean deviation about mean, that is x bar. Then here the formula will be xi minus x bar divided by n. I varies from 1 to n, and mean deviation about median will be similarly xi minus m, where I varies from 1 to n divided by n. So this is the formula for calculating the mean deviation about mean, and this is the formula for calculating the mean deviation about median. Now we will calculate how to find the mean deviation for group data. We know that the group data is of two types. One is discrete frequency distribution, and other is continuous frequency distribution. Let us suppose that in discrete frequency distribution, observation xi is x1, x2, x3, that is xn up to xn, and frequency of each observation is f1, f2, f3, Fn. Then first we will calculate the mean and median of this data. The mean of this data is defined as summation of fi xi by summation of fi. I varies from 1 to n. 1 to n. This is summation of fi xi. I varies from 1 to n divided by n. This is the mean of for discrete frequency distribution. Now we have to find the mean deviation about mean. The mean deviation about mean for discrete frequency distribution is summation of fi into xi minus x bar divided by n, where I varies from 1 to n. Similarly, mean deviation about median will be calculated as fi xi minus m by n, where I varies from 1 to n. Now let us solve a question. The question is, find the mean deviation. Find the mean deviation about the mean for the following data. For the following data. Xi is 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 6, 8, 10, 12, and fi is 2, 8, 10, 7, 8 and 5. This type of data is known as discrete frequency for group data. Now, in order to find the mean deviation about mean, we will first find the mean of this data. Mean x bar is summation of fi xi divided by n. So xi, our observation is 2, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12, and their frequency is 2, 8, 10, 7, 8, 5. First we will calculate fi xi, that is 4. Now total frequency is 5 to 7, 7 and 6, 13, 13 and 8, 21, 31 and 12. That is, total frequency is here. Frequency is 8 and 2, 10, 10, 20, 27 and 30, that is 40. Fi xi is 2 2 ja 4, 8 5 ja 40, it is 60, it is 56, this is 80, and this is 60. Then the summation of fi xi, this is 6 and 4 10, and this is 4 and 1 5, 6 11, 5 16, at 24, and this is 30, that is 300. So from here we can find the mean. Mean is fi xi is 300 by 40, that is 15 by 2, 7.5. Now we'll find modulus of xi minus x bar. Xi minus x bar means the deviation of each observation from mean. Xi is here 2 and mean is 7.5. 2 minus 7.5, that is minus 5.5. Here it is minus 2.5. Here it is minus 1.5. It is 0.5, and here it is 2.5, and here it is 4.5. But we have to calculate the absolute. The formula for mean deviation about mean is summation of fi xi minus x bar, modulus of xi minus x bar, means we'll find the absolute value of deviation, that is modulus of xi minus x bar. Now I am going to calculate fi xi minus x bar, that is 5.5 into 2, that is 11, 2.5 into 8, that is 20, 1.5 into 10, that is 15, 7 into 5, that is 3.5, and this is 8 into 2.5, that is 20, and this is 5 into 4.5, that is 22.5, 5 5 25. Now adding, we get 5 5 10 0, that is 2 and 1 3, 3 and 3 6, 6 and 5 11, 11 and 1 12, that is 2, 2 2 4, 4 and 1 5, 5 and 2, this is 5 and 2 7, 2 and 3 5, 2 and 1 3, 3 2 5, 5 and 1 6, 2 8 and 9, that is 92. Now the mean deviation about mean is, here formula is fi xi minus x bar divided by n. Here it is 92 by sum of frequency is 40, so we get 92 by 40, that is 2 92 by 48 of 2.3. So the mean deviation about mean is 2.3 here. In the next class we will learn some more formula for group data. Thank you.